Chicken lollipops are a creative and aesthetic way to serve chicken and perfect for parties and gatherings. Making them takes a bit of work, but it's well worth it. I'll show you the easiest way to make them. First, start by cutting at the base of the drumstick, right around where the meat ends. Then use your knife to scrape the skin off the bone and pull it to remove it completely. It should come off easily with a tug, and you will discard this piece. Then you'll remove the tendons. This is super easy if you have kitchen scissors, but I couldn't find mine, so I cut them with a knife. After removing the tendons, use your knife or your hands to push the meat down off of the bone and create a lollipop shape. You could stop here, but the secret to get the drumsticks to stand upright is to cut a small piece off the top so that it stands up by itself. And you can see here, I'm going to pull the chicken down, make the lollipop shape, and it stands up by itself. Once you have all your chicken prepped, you can season it and cook it as you like. I'm baking my wings, so I like to lightly coat them first with baking powder. This helps to dry out the skin and helps the chicken get super crispy. Then I season with a mixture of smoked paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, and a few other spices. Then you'll wrap the bone in foil so that it doesn't burn in the oven, and you have the best presentation when it's done. Bake at 400 for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to remove it from the oven and dip it in barbecue sauce. I like to make my own homemade barbecue sauce. Once you dip all the chicken in the barbecue sauce, you're gonna bake for another 15 minutes or until it's fully cooked and super crispy. Once they're finished, you can remove the foil and place them on a tray for serving. And lastly, top your crispy baked chicken lollipops with fresh parsley for a pop of color and enjoy. They're so tender and fun to eat.